Here he comes, he's just ecstatic. My husband and his toy. He's saying, eat my plume of snow. With his Ariens snowblower.
That's how you do it the Ariens way. Came through over 1.5 feet of a snowdrift, and you saw how deep it was, and you couldn't even see the front forks or the drift cutters. This machine is unbelievable. All you naysayers out there that say that these new tires on these Ariens don't work, they do. And I just proved it. You didn't see me slip once. Those tires are fantastic. So if you got one of the new snow throwers, the new Ariens snowblower, the Deluxe 30, with those tires that got just little square knobs on them, fantastic. So you want a new snowblower? That's the one right there, 30-inch, the Ariens Deluxe 30. I got the Sno Cab on the top, and awesome machine. That a little bit for you. And if you see right here on the tires, those tires that everyone says they hate, those tires work fantastic. It's an awesome machine. It's either a 9 or a 10 cc horsepower engine. They got the good cutters right here in the front. Takes care of all the snow blowing. As you see, I'm just wearing a thin pair of rubber-coated gloves from Home Depot, and right now my hands are cold. But I go in the back to get onto my heated hand grips, and it's awesome. I love it. I just get back here in my Sno Cab, right here. Unbelievable. This thing is just an awesome snowblower. There's the back end of it. Got a little bit of snow right here. Just gonna blow in the back, but you know what? I stayed nice and dry on this thing. If you want an awesome snowblower, there you go. And I'll tell you what, this release wheel right here, to release the wheels, I could take it or leave it. It seems to work okay for me. I left it in direct drive with both wheels going. I didn't have any issues with it, so. All right, oh, and I got to show you this. These pockets they give you right here. It's great, look at that. Got my drink right here. My wife's happy about that. She's a nurse, she wants to make sure I stay hydrated. Perfect, I love it. Just give this a little bit of throttle, something. Might be running out of gas. That's okay. All right, time to put this thing away. I'll see you guys later. I'm having a blast. Bye, everybody.